After enjoying our scrumptious buffet breakfast at Bali High Bay, Pattaya, we are now on our way back to Bangkok. So we're back in Bangkok. Dito na kami sa aming new hotel. It's Fix Hotel. So nag-check-in na tayo dito ngayon. Back in Bangkok. This is the hotel lobby. This is our room. Pasok natin yung card here. Tcharan! Ay, ang ganda ng room. So, ito yung toilet and shower area. Hey! Fresh from Pattaya. And then, ayan yung ating mga complimentary coffee and tea, hair dryer and towels. And then, that's the bed. So, this is our view from the room. I think this is the expressway. Yan. Parang dito kami dumaan kanina. Yan. Then, yan, yung mga buildings. Hello! So, this is our day 6 in Thailand. And this is how I speak. Charis. Yan. So, ito yung complimentary coffee. So, we have Kaohsiung. It's Kaohsiung coffee. And then, this is the creamer. Yan. This is the coffee. And then, of course, tea and sugar. They also provided the hair dryer. Of course, towels and tissue. Merong vault. Yan. For safekeeping. And of course, the slippers. So, yung shower area nila, tingnan nyo. So, since it's glass, tapos ito na agad yung room. Yan. Pero may curtain naman dito. Yan. You can close that. Yan. So, we are going to Icon Siam from Victory Monument. Sakay kami ng MRT. Ta-transfer kami sa Siam. Yan. Okay, so from Siam, lipat tayo dito sa Silom Line. Papunta ng Bangwa direction. Yan. Exit tayo dito sa Krungkonburi Station. So, interchange siya sa Golden Line. And doon tayo sasakay pa Icon Siam. Kailangan natin magpapalit ng ticket kasi hanggang Siam lang yung nabili ko. So, nakadalaw interchange ka. Thank you. Dito tayo magta-transfer sa Gold Line going to Icon Siam. And we have to buy another ticket. G2.
One? What ticket?
One.
Thank you.
Okay, pasok na tayo. So, we're still waiting for the train. Parang limited, hindi pala limited. May operating hours lang siya, servicing different stations dito sa Golden Line. So make sure to check the schedule before you go here para hindi kayo maghintay ng matagal. Like us. So, especially it's too hot here. Okay, so the train is here. So, basically, mga 5 PM yung nakuha naming schedule. Maliit lang siyang train. Parang dalawang car lang. This one and then the other one. Okay, we're coming in. Okay, nandito na kami sa station areas 2, Icon Siam. So, when we go out of here, pasok na natin sa Icon Siam. And we are here! Ay, parang gusto ko na. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa floating market. Dito siya sa, I think, basement of Icon Siam.
And we are here for food trip, a lot of it.
Cha Cha Mu. So this is my first time, so I'm gonna be ordering the classic high milk tea. 2. 30-40 sugar level. 32. Yeah. Okay, so we are still exploring the floating market. Maraming options dito for food, for shopping. There's a lot to choose from. So it's basically the same set of options na makikita mo sa mga provincial floating market. You know, the concept, it's the same. Hello! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Tip Samay. Ito yung menu nila. This is my dinner for tonight. I ordered yung may wrapping egg na prawn. This is the classic one na order ng friend ko, and then syempre may mga side siya dyan. And then we also ordered spring roll chicken. That's a wrap. Let's taste it. Alright, so done with dinner here at Tip Samay. Yeah. And we are now going to explore the place. First off, yung sunset. So, tignan natin kung maganda yung view natin ng sunset from here. Although, parang makulimlim sa labas. But, let's see. What's the view gonna be here? Look at the ponso, guys. Ang ganda. With projection ng light.
Located here on the second floor of Icon Siam is the biggest Starbucks store in Thailand. And this is also a Starbucks reserve. Right outside the Starbucks store is this balcony with a view of the Chao Phraya River.
Grabe yung fruits dito, para ang sasarap. Oh my gosh. Oh, mayroon silang yellow na dragon fruit. Laki nung makopa, oh. It's like halo-halo nga. Okay, so we ordered number 10. Ayan, so one of the best sellers. Let's try it. Parang ano nga siya, ginataang belo-belo. So parang siyang ginataang halo-halo sa Pilipinas. Sarap.
But mas makokonat.
Mas makokonat siya, mas lasang gata. It's good.
Sarap.
Good. Dito siya sa harap ng Herbal of Thailand. So if you wanna try this. It's good.
Try natin, pandan cake.
So try natin tong coconut pandan cake. Sarap ang bite lang. Lasang lasa.
Ano last?
Mas masarap yun sa Chinatown.
Oo, yung Chinatown. Yung kasi pure, pure coconut. No?
May kasubo.
Ayan tuloy, yung asa.
Walang lasa.
Wala nga lasa.
Subuan mo kita para hindi ka ma-improve.
Wala nga lasa, mems.
Hindi ako mas masarap siya pag nalainit.
Mayunit pa nga.
Ayun, may crispy part.
Habang tumatagal, mamaya niya siya.
Lumalabas yung
Oo,
pagkapandan
lumalabas
niya.
yung pandan.
Huwag mo kaya dapat yung nakalabas.
Kumain na kayo?
Daming ebas.
Uyan mo na ngayon.
Iyan, nakita na ako ng pomegranate juice. I really want this. So, I'm gonna order. Ayan, so... Let's open it.
Ayan.
Yun.
Oh.
Okay.
Diba? Kamay yung straw.
Yeah, may straw naman pala. Kasi isa na lang yung kamay ko eh. Salamat. Let's go, let's go. It's good. It's good. It's really good. And that is our Icon Siam visit for today. So we're now going back to our hotel. Okay, so after a few minutes of break sa hotel, naglakad-lakad kami. We're looking for some street activities, street fun. So, yeah, so food. Meron dito, I don't know, interesting street. Puro food area. Ayan. Pwede tayong tumambay dito, maybe eat and drink. So, pili tayo na pwedeng kanina. Yan, so ito yung nabili ko, Chinese style noodle soup, Chinese barbecue. These are our drinks.
Yeah.
I ordered Rosette's lemonade, that's lemon iced tea. Ayan, so dito to malapit sa Victory Monument. Ayan, so pagkatapos naming ikotin yung, well, hindi pa nakaikot, half pa lang kami nung dito sa Victory Monument. Bumaba kami dito, and then we saw this bakery, KonMari. And ang dami nilang selection dito ng breads. And then, ayan, marami. Ito yung may fruit cake din sila. Yes. Look at this. Sobrang daming selection. So, siya yung owner. Siya yun. Si Madam. Okay, so naka 3/4 3/4 na kami nung circle para mabuo namin yung circumference nitong Victory Monument. Okay. One more to go. Diba? Lakas ng trip. So, naikot na namin yung buong monumento. Victory Monument. So, pagbaba namin dito, yun na yung sa may hotel area. Ginaid kami nung dog. Yung hindi siya bumababa hanggat hindi kami bumababa.
May natektahan pa.
Yeah. The Victory Monument dog. Hello. Hello. Bye-bye. And we are here.
Kapong crab.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit like and then comment down below. Please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. See ya!